What's up guys, my name is Shoria Bansal and today we will answer the question that was raised in the previous video, arguably one of the most important questions for any beginner programmer. What is programming? To put it simply, programming is just writing a set of instructions for the computer to follow. One example, you want the computer to add two numbers. It gets number A and number B. You tell the computer, get the value from A and add it to the value from B and print the result. That was simple. But then you have a more complicated example. What if there's a robot, let's call him Bob, and he wants to get home. His home is here. You can't tell Bob go home because Bob doesn't know what that means. You'll have to map out the path home and tell Bob exactly how to go. You'll see that the path home involves going there and going down. X, Y. You'll have to tell Bob, move forward X blocks and then go down Y blocks. That's one way to get home. Maybe a path from Bob directly to the house. You can say, turn, and then move that distance. But you have to be explicit, because computers don't understand generalizations. To show you how complicated these can become, let's look at a very complicated example, printing. You wrote a book report and you want to print it. But how does a computer go from you clicking the print button to a beautiful copy coming out of the printer? First, when you click print, you get a pop-up or a message asking for a few points. For example, it wants to know, do you want to print it in color or not? What size is the print? Is it 2-in-1 or is it just a single sheet, double-sided? All of these questions. Now, with some internal mechanism, the computer will take this and compile it all with the previous information from the print dialog into a connection and send it all to the printer where you get the physical copy. All of this is just instructions. You tell the computer first, get all the text from a document here and put it into a file. Then learn what the file should be formatted as by asking these. Take the format, use it with the text and pictures, and send it to the printer. These are all instructions that the computer wrote to get a printout from your document. These instructions can go from super simple, like adding a few numbers, to really complex, like designing full systems that people rely on every single day. And that shows the extreme versatility of a program. It can do anything you can imagine just by writing lines of code. In the next video, we will look at something very specific to the Java programming language and a few others. Object-oriented programming. I can't wait to see you then.